Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing an honest review of the Capital One shopping app in 2025. If you are someone who shops online a lot, you have probably seen ads about this app claiming it helps you save money automatically. But is it really worth installing? Let's break down the pros, cons, and everything you should know before using it. What is Capital One Shopping? Capital One Shopping is a free browser extension and mobile application that automatically searches for coupon codes and better prices while you shop online. It was originally called Wikibuy, but Capital One acquired it in 2018. You do not need a Capital One account or credit card to use it. It's free for everyone. It works on sites like Amazon, Walmart, eBay, Best Buy, and thousands of other online retailers. So basically, it is designed to save you money with little to no effort. Pros. Now let's start with the advantages. Number one, we have automatic coupon codes. It tests available promo codes at the checkout, so you do not have to Google them yourself. Price comparison tool. While shopping on Amazon or other big sites, it can show if another retailer is selling the same product for cheaper. Price drop alerts. You can add items to your watch list, and Capital One Shopping will notify you when the price goes down. Shopping rewards or credits. You earn credits when buying through the app, which can later be redeemed for gift cards at stores like Walmart, eBay, and more. Totally free. There are no subscription fees or hidden charges. Ease of use. The browser extension works automatically once installed. Set it and forget it. Cons. Now, the downsides you should be aware of. Number one, not every coupon works. Like most coupon apps, not all codes will apply successfully, so sometimes it feels hit or miss. Data collection. Since it's owned by a bank, Capital One does collect shopping data for analytics and marketing. If you are a very privacy conscious, this might be a concern. Better deals elsewhere. Occasionally, competing tools like Honey or Rakuten may find higher cashback or discounts, so it is not always the absolute best deal. Gift card payouts only. You cannot cash out your rewards directly to PayPal or bank accounts, only as store gift cards. Browser extension needed. The mobile app is helpful, but the extension on Chrome or Edge is where it really shines. Who should use it? Capital One Shopping is best for people who shop online frequently and want automatic savings, shoppers who do not want to hunt for coupons manually, and anyone who is okay with receiving rewards as gift cards instead of direct cash. But if you prefer cashback over gift cards or you are very strict about online privacy, you might want to consider alternatives like Rakuten or Honey. Conclusion. So, is the Capital One shopping app worth it in 2025? Yes, if you want an easy, set it and forget it tool to save money while shopping online, it won't make you rich. But the savings and rewards do add up over time. That's my honest review with the pros, cons, and everything you should know. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment sharing your experience with Capital One shopping or other saving apps. And that's all for today's review, and see you in new reviews and comparisons.